Let's take a closer look at one utility utilizing GIS and how it has influenced their source water protection efforts. The Greater Cincinnati Water Works Department has 2 sources of water they treat and then supply as drinking water to customers in their region. One source is groundwater. Their groundwater treatment plant produces between 15 and 40 million gallons of potable water per day, depending on demand. Their surface water plant treats approximately 115 million gallons of water each day, drawn from the Ohio River. The challenge is that the majority of their surface water comes from a supply that is heavily impacted by the surrounding watershed. The topography around Cincinnati is very hilly, and because of urban development, the surface is mostly impervious, which means runoff reaches the river very quickly with little chance to soak into the ground. The Greater Cincinnati watershed is thus heavily impacted by non-point source contaminants. Utility personnel have spent a lot of time and effort identifying all of the non-point and point pollution sources and entering them into their GIS mapping.
Any type of effort, particularly a source water protection effort, lives or dies by the accuracy of the information that is used for that effort. And as technology progresses and we collect more and more information, we will be able to incorporate that into our GIS system and even link it then with computer models.
Computer models that identify and anticipate the flow of contamination are of particular interest to Greater Cincinnati Water Works personnel because of still another challenge they face in their watershed: heavy barge and commercial boat traffic on the Ohio River. A boat accident or a sinking barge could have an immediate impact on the water supply.
We will be able to bring up the GIS system, say in the event of a spill, and very quickly calculate what type of concentration we can expect at our intake, what time that would occur.
GIS mapping integrates information into one watershed map that can become a shared resource and guide for remediation or protection. Even for small communities with limited resources, it is an excellent first step in understanding threats to water supplies and considering strategies for source water protection. The use of GIS mapping and modeling are examples of management measures available to water providers intent on effective source water protection.